Here's the shocking truth. Passing a literal set to sorted is up to 30% slower than passing a list, even when both contain identical elements. And it all starts with how Python handles those curly braces. Imports the built-in time module to access high-resolution timing functionality needed for performance measurement across multiple iterations. Defines a reusable function named test_sorted that accepts an iterable collection and a descriptive label string to benchmark how long sorted operations take on that input type. Records the precise wall clock time immediately before initiating the loop of sorted calls using high-precision timing. Begins a loop that executes exactly 100,000 iterations, each time invoking the built-in sorted function on the provided iterable argument. Calls Python's built-in sorted function with the iterable parameter passed into test_sorted, producing a new sorted list on every loop cycle while discarding output to isolate timing of the sort operation itself. Records the precise wall clock time immediately after all 100,000 sorted iterations complete, marking the conclusion of the measurement window. Computes the difference between the captured end and start times, formats it to 4 decimal places as seconds, and prefixes it with the descriptive label passed into test_sorted for console output. Invokes test_sorted with a concrete list containing values 3, 1, and 2, passing the descriptive label list input to report performance metrics for list type iteration. Invokes test_sorted with a concrete set containing values 3, 1, and 2, passing the descriptive label set literal to report performance metrics for set type iteration. Always convert sets to lists before sorting when performance matters, especially for large datasets. Subscribe for daily coding videos that cut through the noise.